now I'm sure you would like to know why we spoke about gaining control of your own power. We are not here to compete with anyone. We're here to say that you can be independent, you can produce your own power, you can manage your own power. That's what we're saying. So basically, why are we doing this? The first reason is basically we know that there's issues in energy security, there are issues of energy cost and sustainability. So these are the three main issues that is bugging all of us. So where do we come? We come to help you guys in giving renewable energy, as you believe that this can solve the other challenges that you face. So what's our presence? Kinetics and UGE have deployed our solutions in over 90 countries and 2,000 installations. And we have quite a good number of clientele from Lexus, BMW, Toyota, GE, Honeywell, Ford, and Hilton. Most of them are based in the States and China, Greater Mainland China, and in Europe. So what do we do basically? We are focusing on providing you off-grid and on-grid energy solutions for enterprise, outdoor lighting, and telecoms. So we give you a full service approach. We don't just give you the panels, or we don't just do normal installations. We even provide site evaluation, system design. We manufacture specifically for your needs. We do the installation, we do the project financing, and also the maintenance. So what do we do for the enterprise? You see, the advantage that we have is we can rapidly deploy customized solutions for your needs, as well as integrate with what you have right now. Our outdoor lighting solution is the widest of its range in the world, and we have things that maybe will excite you and will be beneficial for the municipalities, as well for universities and big area use like parks and roadways. For telecoms, in the later part of the slides, I will show you what we have to offer. So let's have a look at the lighting solutions. So we have 4 major lighting models, which is the Sanya SLS, the Sanya SLN, the SLJ, and the Broadwalk. So why is this better than the rest? Because it's simple to install. We have multiple configurations of on-grid and off-grid, as well as it can save you the cost of trenching. Basically, it's perfect for a wide range of applications for highways, roads, parks, plazas, and also corporate and university campuses. So where does the energy security, sustainability, and cost savings come? You see, as this is a hybrid solution, we can give you both wind and also solar, and we can also do remote monitoring for you to manage the lighting solutions. These are the salient points for your projects. If you have an existing infrastructure, we can retrofit to support whatever we have to offer. If you have new projects, the advantage is that you don't need to do any more trenching. You can avoid that cost, as well as you can enhance the reliability and meet the sustainability goals, as well as subscribe to your designs. So these are the examples that we have installed in China, mainland China. This is a hybrid SLS Sanya together with wind turbine and also the solar panels in the States. Whole Foods Market is one of the biggest retail, I would say, organic food market in the United States, which emphasis on being the most eco-friendly and the most renewable, reliant, I would say, market for providing household groceries in the States. This is how it looks like. So basically, we would like to show you what we have done all over the world. This is in Philadelphia, an NFL stadium. It's the best NFL stadium when it talks about renewable energy. It has accumulated annual savings up to $3 million, and it stood 100% green on non-game days. This is again the Whole Foods market. They have achieved LEED Platinum and they are the most green in Brooklyn. This is in BMW installation in China. Even BMW has said that they are happy with what they have right now. They've installed most of the wind turbines in their showrooms and their main facility. This is a Hilton Hotel in Fort Lauderdale Beach, which is also utilizing our wind turbines. Texas University.
The internet brings developing communities around the world access to mobile health, mobile markets, mobile education, and enables them to become part of the global community. Meet Ona. Ona is trying to make a mobile payment to her mother in the big city so she can purchase materials for her small business. Without reliable access to mobile money services, she's unable to transfer the money to make these purchases, which stifles economic growth. The problem that operators face today is unreliable energy services for their telecoms networks, resulting in unreliable mobile services. Operators have the challenge of providing reliable service to their customers to increase economic and social development, and ultimately provide the services Ona needs. In rural communities and off-grid sites, such as Ona's, where the grid electricity is unreliable, diesel generators provide the energy necessary to power the mobile network. From an environmental standpoint, diesel is unsustainable. From an economic standpoint, it is increasingly expensive. And from an energy security standpoint, it is too unreliable, hindering the growth of these networks. Operators in these areas are further challenged by fuel loss, theft, high maintenance costs for the generators, and difficult access due to remote location. Of the roughly 20 million communications towers around the world, an estimated 15 to 20% are run on diesel. UGE's goal is to replace these diesel generators with the UGE Fusion solution in order to provide on-site renewable energy generation, cutting down on the CO2 emissions while providing cost savings and improved reliability. The UGE Fusion solution breaks down into three core parts. Number one, site evaluation. We use site location and our proprietary models to determine the exact energy potential available on site. Number two, system design. We consider the entire site as a whole to provide the right equipment and the right solution. Number three, project financing. We work with finance partners to deliver savings right away with no expense to the operator. UGE's Fusion solution brings reduced operational expenditure and energy reliability to BTS sites around the world, from Verizon in Northern California to Claro in Argentina. UGE Fusion solution helps operators recognize the advantages of diversified energy input from wind, solar, storage, and monitoring, all brought together into one integrated solution. Every liter of diesel fuel saved is like taking nearly 3 kilograms of CO2 out of the atmosphere, not to mention the other harmful greenhouse gases, such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and black carbon. Eliminating diesel generators at only 2,000 sites will result in a reduction of almost 24,000 tons of CO2 over the next 5 years. Telecoms operators are looking for savings and security, and UGE Fusion offers more reliability at a fraction of the cost. For forward-thinking organizations, UGE Fusion brings visibility to sustainable initiatives, and in areas where grid infrastructure isn't yet available, UGE Fusion will act as a model for renewable energy production that will be implemented by future generations. For Ona, this means she can make a money transaction to her mother whenever she needs to. For operators, this means fewer site visits and lower operational costs. In the end, Ona is happy, her mother is happy, and hundreds of millions of people around the world will be able to recognize unhindered internet access and economic growth in the years to come, laying the groundwork for a clean world and a greener tomorrow. And remember, as we say at UGE, be green, be great, and have fun.
So basically that's UGE Fusion. So we believe that we do have the solutions to meet your needs. And we do believe as a renewable energy company, we do have more to offer. So do come over to our booth. We can discuss more in detail. And thank you again for your audience. Thank you again for your time. Thanks again.